Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power key. From there, swipe to power off. And when the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. And when you see it turn on, let go of the power key immediately. This will take you to the fast boot mode. So from here, using only volume keys, you want to select a recovery mode and then press power key to confirm it. And this will take you to, well, obviously the recovery mode. Now I'll mention that the recovery mode, at least in my case, it's not in English. So I guess you have to just try to guess what these options are. Now I know for a fact that this is power off. When you press on it, it gives you a yes to power off or no, which just stays here. This is reboot, same as power off, yes or no. And yeah, I have no clue what these do or what they are. One is probably confirm or the other one is deny, or maybe one just wipes data. I have no clue. As you can obviously see, it's not in English and there is no way of changing it that I can see here. So anyway, that's basically how you'd boot into recovery mode. So I'm gonna leave this by selecting reboot. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.